The quadratic formula can be used to find the roots, but can we use the quadratic formula to factor something that is ugly? Case in point, look at this. Oh my God, it is just incredible. If we were to try to GCF, we couldn't, because of course 24 doesn't go into any one of those. We can turn around and we can try saying, okay, let's PSA 2 this. And if you PSA 2 this, check this out. You got 24 times 50. That's just a huge number. Look, 24 times 50. So we want factors of 1200 that are going to add up to minus 59. Oh man, no, thank you, no thank you. So in a situation like that, let's just go directly to the quadratic formula and see what we can do with this guy, okay? So that's A, that's B, that's C, okay? Don't forget your B is negative, your C is also negative. Let's go right into the quadratic formula. Here we go. Minus B plus or minus the square root of B squared minus 4AC over 2A. Here we go. Excellent. Okay, punch in the numbers. So first things first, let's bring this guy down a little bit so we can see it. There he is. Okay, so minus B. Minus B. B is minus 59. Plus or minus square root of B squared minus 59 squared minus 4 times A. A is 24. Times minus 50. That might give us a nice number. I don't know, but let's figure this out. Over 2A, 2 times 24. Oh my goodness. Let's figure out what's under the radical sign first. So let's bring up the calculator. Clear, clear, clear. Okay. So minus 59 squared. So we're going to put that in brackets. Minus 59 bracket squared minus 4 times 24 times minus 50. Oh my goodness. Gives you the, holy smokes, that's a huge number. Boy, is that ever ugly. Okay, well, that being said, doesn't matter. Let's take the square root of that. Let's see, hopefully we'll get a nice answer here. Ready? Boom. Look at that. It's 91. Oh, this is actually kind of pretty. So this whole thing here, this whole ugly thing works out to be just plain old 91. Wow, awesome. Okay, so let's keep on going. Here we go. Minus gives you positive, so this is 59 plus 91 over, well, 2 times 24 is 48. Or this could be 59 minus 91 because of the plus or minus. Don't forget, you got to do it twice, over 48. Okay, so let's figure this out. 59 plus 91 over 48. Let's see if that gives us a nice number or not. 59 plus 91 equals divided by 48. Bah! No, it doesn't. Well, let's see if it gives us a nice fraction. Math, frac, there it is. The fraction is 25 over 8. Okay, so the fraction is 25 over 8. That's our answer. That's what our x equals to. But let's look at this one over here. 59 minus, now 59 minus 91, boom, divided by 48. Okay, that gives us, ooh, again, something else that's ugly. Math bracket, there it is. Oh, minus 2/3. Look at this, minus 2/3. So x equals to minus 2/3. So obviously the answers aren't the prettiest answers in the world, but look what this is asking us. The question is asking us, what are the factors of this? Can we go the factors from the answer? Of course we can. Think about how you got to this point if you were PSAing. If I was PSAing, I'd have some sort of number in front of the x plus something equals to 0, right? Okay, and we would solve for that. Case in point, if I had something like 2x plus 1 equals to 0, I know to subtract 1 from both sides. You get 2x equals minus 1, divide by 2, x equals to minus a half. Look, that's how you got the fractions. Now what I'm saying is go backwards. Instead of dividing by 2, because that's what you got, that's what got you into that mess in the first place, how about multiplying by whatever is on the denominator? Case in point, look at this one. Multiply this side, both this side, this and this, by 8. Think about it. We have 8x then equals to, those cancel, equals to 25. Now all I have to do is subtract 25 from both sides. Look, there's my original factor. If I was to PSA to that, that would be one of the factors. Watch again. How do I get rid of this 3 on the bottom? Multiply both sides by 3. This would be 3x. That and that would cancel, leaving you minus 2. Add 2 to both sides. Lo and behold, I get 3x plus 2, which is my other factor. If I was to multiply these together, I'd get my original polynomial. So my factorization is using the quadratic formula for something that's big and ugly. I can use the quadratic formula, find the roots, work back, and find the answers. So if I look, 8x minus 25 is, in this case, the answer is D. Isn't that awesome that you can now have, not only do you have PSA 1, you don't have PSA 2, you have completing the square, but now you can use the quadratic formula to help you factor those things like this one that are really, really ugly to factor. What a powerful, powerful tool quadratic formula is.